Okay. Wanted to avoid doing it this way. Once you knock out the hub assembly from the rear, use a bearing tool to knock that hub assembly out. We'll talk about how to get this car off a little later. Use a pair of snap ring pliers. Pull this ring in, pre-lubricate, pull that ring in, and then you can hammer it back out pretty much the same way you hammered out the hub assembly. Let that eat for a little bit. Do the same thing on the other side. Let that eat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Use a chisel. Sometimes you got to use some pliers to grab a hold of that ring to knock it out, because a lot of times it does break. So bend an edge up, get them with your vice grips, and then hammer on the top of your vice grips, and it'll start getting this loose, and it'll pop out. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to flip it over. We're going to hammer this out. We're going to put this in the vise or a jack. Just hold it to the side. We're going to hammer it out just like this. Hey y'all, well if y'all made it this far, really appreciate if y'all could hit the like, subscribe buttons, you know, that bell for the notifications. You know, if y'all want to leave me a comment too, that'd be pretty awesome. Let me know what you think. Back to the video. It's bending the post. That is hot.
Getting it too hot. This thing ain't lasting very long. Alright, we're gonna make one more cut like this. That should do it. Don't worry if you hit the hub. Not a big deal. Just worry about your knuckles. Just finished hammering that off. Realized that the battery died on the GoPro. But yeah, chisel, hammer, angle grinder. As you can see, cut an X. Got it to crack with the hammer and chisel. Little bits came out. That's why you wear safety glasses. It did mar this a little bit, but that's going to be covered by the bearing, so that's not a big deal. Just take a little sandpaper or something if there's any edges. Other than that, good to go. Use 95518. Oh yeah, there we go. That actually might press into the it's good. That is how you install a wheel bearing without power tools. Oh yeah. Totally.
Paint and ball joint. Nope, it's not there yet.